okay. Yeah.
Northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee. Northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee.
What's going on? We are up here at Windrock. There's a tornado watch and the weather is gorgeous. It's been raining for 2 days straight and today is no exception. It's amazing wheeling. Blue trails have become black and so on and so forth. It's so good today. Everything's difficult, right?
Black means you walk home.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm not missing out on this opportunity to hit the trails, which makes them a little bit harder. So here we go. So my guy here forgot to lock his front hub, and I'm wondering how long it will. Okay, so we solved that problem. He forgot to lock up his passenger side hub. So when we engaged that, it walked right up the hill. So I knew that truck should not be struggling on a hill like that. So yeah, no big deal. He's moving.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee.
The minion kills me, man. I love it. Oh, okay. Yeah. The bracket tabs, like, broke free.
On this side where it's attached to the diff?
Where it's attached to the diff.
Okay. Well. Houston, we have a problem. We just came through that last rock section and my steering wheel wasn't working that well. I turned the wheel to the right and the wheels went to the left. Agreed to jump underneath the truck. We'll show you what he's found.
All right. We have a hydro assist problem. Basically what has happened is he has destroyed this bracket, and for some reason it's not the welds that failed. They decided to put, whoever built this tab, they put a cutout relief right in the middle of it, and sure enough, that is where this double shear bracket broke free. So we have hydro assist just flailing around aimlessly under here. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect his hydro assist lines from the box. We're going to cap them off. Always bring your caps with you, and this is why. It keeps you out of a bind if you ever lose your hydro. So we're going to knock that out, and that should give him steering to get him back on the trail and moving again. Of course, he's not going to have hydro assist. It's going to be a lot tighter trying to move 40s, but it'll work. So we got really lucky, and the sun came out right as we had the breakage. So we were able to get the fix done without the rain pouring on us the whole time. And this is a good example why you really need to come to the trail with all your gear. Make sure you bring a fully equipped toolkit, and you need to know how your rig is put together, because if you don't, you might be stuck on the trail if no one else knows how to fix you either. So it's really important, even if you didn't build your Jeep, take some time, crawl under there, figure out what tools you need and what it takes to fix any idea that you can think of what might break, because one day it will happen. This is what I bring. You know, I have 2 tool rolls, I have extra fuel, I have fluids in the front, and, you know, extra organization really goes a long way on the trail. So just like that, and we're ready to hit the trail again. Okay, you should have enough runway for a good bump. There you go. Just hold that. All right, so I should probably make a closing for this video at this point, because we didn't finish our trail. We didn't finish any trail. We ended up having so many breakages.
Take your time and tell me, how many were there?
On this one trail that it was too late to keep going. It was already dark by the time we got his tire. Yeah, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, his tire debeaded on a large elevation, on a large hill climb, and we were basically stuck on the hill. It was rolling off the wheel. It was becoming a whole deal. So we dealt with that and got the wheel swapped out. But after everything was done, it was so late and so tired and just exhausted to the point that there was no going on tonight. So I am closing this out in the parking lot of a fast food restaurant, because I'm just dying to eat at this point. So it wasn't what we expected, but we all have these days on the trail. What can we do, right? Anyways, it started off great. It still wasn't bad. Next time, we'll hit it harder. So, appreciate you watching. Have a good night.